Sa bahay na kanya, sabi man nila, itong muling matatagpuan ang tao na namumay-ari ng isang tupuan. Na may magkakatao ay pinagkakatuan. Kaya naman, pinapinagam, walang makikita ko lang. Saw you smile, said I wanna talk to you. You're my little one. But before I'm in my room, my emotions start running wild. My tongue gets tied, and that's no lie. I look in your eyes, I look in a big eye, ooh yeah, and I got to say to you, hey, girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. If you feel right, I'm gonna push it some more. Girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. If you feel right, I'm gonna push it some more. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long.
Let me treasure you all my darling.
Order po.
Yes, you are my treasure. You are my treasure.
Order nga ng Mai Tai dyan.
Yeah, you are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you are my treasure. That is what you are.
What are you making?
I'm making a mojito.
Mojito for me.
Simple mojito only.
Okay.
Plus one is on one.
Ayun.
Magkano lahat natin? 1.5. Duwang 1.5 ulit.
3. 100.
Same 30.
So gusto mahiling sulaog?
She's the only one around.
May nag-order ng mojito. The best seller mojito. So let's make one. It's a secret. Next time you see syrup. Ito nakakapasarap talaga sa mojito. Fresh calamansi. Tapos yung fingers ko. And of course, peppermint.
Magbabalik po kami sa aming second set. Ayaw mo kaulaw nga ikaw nagsayaw sa sayaw sa bukid nun. Say! Alright. Kaya wala ko sa mga bawang tatay niya.
Alright, welcome. Yes, we see us, we get away.
that's our mojito. Some order. Bye. Oh, sarap mojito. Kami na lang ang walang bubong. Bukas, papagawa din ako. Come na. Yummy ba ito? Oh, huwag ka na muna mag-play.
What?
Eat ka muna, later na mag-play. Eat ka muna.
Ako mag-video. Hello everyone. My name is Isaiah. My name is Isaiah Sanyas, and welcome to my vlog.
Hello! Picture. Gusto mo magpa-picture dyan? Sige na. Day man. Gabos na babaeng singer, picture ko dyan.
Para maulaw kung kasa, magkiriba na sinta.
Dito. Ayan. Yeah. Kaya yun. You know. Sino ba ang salarin, guys?
Come on!
Alright. Yeah.
Whole new world by
Musta pansit ba to?
Yes, and open arms presented by engineer Kevin Juneda or Juneda. And thank you so much. Everyone was saying happy birthday to Josh.
Gonna turn us off.
Let me wake up in the morning to the smell of new morning. Without
Meeting game, positive lang, magaling guest, mamaya.
All the girls are lit, trying to get a big boy. I need a big boy, give me a big boy.
9,000 views sa kanyang video at saka 75 shares. Yes, and of course, yung nanalo po ngayon, i-upload po dito sa Chendesitas de Legazpi. Ayan, kailangan nyo lang po ito ay i-shares para rumami yung views. Paramihan to ng...
makakatanggap ng 2K.
Hindi yan sinabi ko pa.
Ayan. Ayan, tawagin natin yung...
Yes, and of course, congratulations po yung nanalo po ngayon this week. Siya po ay nanalo ng 2,000 pesos. No other than, of course, Sir Don. Yes, so we invite you here, Sir Don, to claim your prize.
2 million.
Yeah, 2
With the
million.
house and lot. Charot.
With house and lot. Ang saya-saya dito sa Chendesitas eh. Kumanta ka lang, may 2,000 pesos ka na. 2 million pala to, sir.
Ang yaman-yaman ng Chendesitas.
Yes. Picture muna tayo, sir. Thank you. Picture.
Wow.
Video pala, sir. Sabi.
Picture.
They dynamite, turn to a million, then we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Be the last one out to get the dough. No way, not one of you bucket-headed hoes. No way, hit the streets and we break the code. No way.
2 orders of pancit patos special. May bago po tayong bartender sa Musikeros. His name is Aris. Hi fans. Hi fans daw. What are you doing?
I'm gonna make a dynamite. That's from the BTS.
Dynamite from the BTS.
Think about it. Right here, right now, music Treros.
What can you say, Anna? Yeah! Happy birthday, Tin! Ano yan na ang kalokohan mo, Jess? Dali. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Complimentary drink yan.
Parang maliit. Malaki yung kay Boy.
Oo nga, Filipino size yan eh.
Masaya sila, no? Pero masaya si Chen. Chen, si Legazpi.
Sige na, masarap yan, promise. Musikeros drink yan. Oh, di ba? Very nice.
Papakita ko sa iyo. Sabi ko po ang spoon.
From Bulbis
I was 3 years old nang ikaw ay na-meet. Napahanga ako sa taglay mong bait. Ikaw ang
Dada, dada, da, da.
Don't never let me go. More than words is all I ever needed you to show. Then you won't have to say that you love me, 'cause I already know. What would you do if I took those words into more than words to show you feel that your love for me is real? What would you say if I turned those words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love you.
Sorry, mali.
More than words. Da di da da di da di da da di da. More than words.
Sorry, mali.
More than the best. We can live without you, and I want you to know. Need you like I never needed anyone before. I live my life for you. Wanna be by your side. Anything that you do, and if it's only one thing, you can't believe it's true. I live my life for you. Oh, oh yeah. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh, be my world around you, and I want you to know. Need you like I never needed anyone before. I live my life for you. Wanna be by your side. Anything that you do, if it's only one thing, you can't believe it's true. I live my life for you. Oh, yeah. I live my life for you. Galing! Galing.
Grabing sustain yun ko pa din.